Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to make candy-dipped fruit. First, select your favorite fruits, ensuring they are ripe and firm. Wash and thoroughly dry them to ensure the candy coating adheres properly. Next, decide on your dipping candy, whether it's milk chocolate, white chocolate, or a vibrant candy melt. Have all your tools ready, including skewers or toothpicks and a parchment-lined tray for setting. Proper fruit preparation is key for perfect dip treats. After washing, lay your fruit on paper towels and gently pat them until completely dry. Any moisture can cause your candy to seize or not stick well. For larger fruits like apples, slice them into 1/4 inch thick pieces. Insert a sturdy skewer or toothpick into each piece, leaving enough room to hold comfortably. Now for the fun part, dipping. Melt your chosen candy in a microwave-safe bowl, stirring every 30 seconds until smooth. Dip each fruit piece into the melted candy, rotating to ensure full coverage. Gently tap off any excess candy against the bowl's edge. For extra flair, immediately sprinkle with chopped nuts, shredded coconut, or colorful sprinkles before the candy hardens. Once dipped and decorated, carefully place your candy-coated fruit onto a sheet of parchment paper. Allow them to set at room temperature for about 15 to 20 minutes, or pop them in the refrigerator for 10 minutes for a quicker set. They are best enjoyed fresh, but can be stored in an airtight container for a day or two. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.